Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to try the Gel X tips. I also purchased the Extend Gel, which is from Presto. If you guys have followed me, I have used Presto for my base for my tortoiseshell nails, so I am not new to this brand. However, I am new to this. They come in 0. They don't have 00 in here, which I think is a newer one. And I got the natural stiletto short. And so what's different about these is they are actually gel. So it's not a plastic, it's supposedly gel, which it definitely feels a lot more maneuverable. So, well, that's too big. I have to figure out my sizes. That's just about right. And I have like weird parts of my skin, the way they grow. So this will be interesting. I'm gonna pick these out and then I'll be right back. So I also watch Sarah's Nail Secrets. I'm sure you guys watch it too. Watch her too, I guess. And I was told to get this little LED light to flash cure. It is a USB, so you will need to have one of those USB hubs. All right, my nails are prepped. I'm going to take Young Nails Protein Bond and just quickly go over most of the nail. I do have natural nails, except for a little bit of gel on, so I'm probably going to, you know, do it on most of the nail. Kind of just go back over. And then I'm going to let that dry. All right, going to come in with tack.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion.
Okay, so I'm going to put the Extend Gel and I'm going to do it all over the nails as a base, and I am going to cure this layer.
Crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me.
Gonna take another layer of this and I'm going to leave this wet. Okay, so just applying this, not too thick, probably equivalent to that first one that I did, just super thin. All right, so thumb is wet and I'm applying a little bit in there. At the bottom. I feel like that's not enough, but we'll go with it. Okay, again, my light is on. So essentially what I'm gonna do is here, and then I'm quickly gonna move it over there. So place it down. Actually, I'm gonna kinda lean my nail forward. Yeah, there's definitely some seepage. I don't know how you would apply this without getting seepage. It's gonna keep in there. I'm trying to take as much out of that cuticle area as possible. All right, I guess let's try again. Nope, there's a bubble. I think that's gonna be as good as it gets. All right, this is all over my cuticle. I mean, all over it. But to be honest, I probably can get that off with my e-file. The problem is I don't want to damage my nail. The nail itself feels pretty good. Yeah, for never applying these before, I think that turned out pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. We'll do one more quote unquote live real time, and then I'll fast forward in editing. I wish I could fast forward in real life. Not that this actually took that long, if I'm gonna be honest. Okay, leaving that wet, coming in, making sure I get it nice and in there, because gel likes to stick to gel, as I've said many a times. I'm just gonna put a little bit. That might even be way too much. Here goes. I'm gonna tilt my finger down, place it, and then let it go forward. Real life, my light unplugged itself. So we're gonna do it again. And it was so good, I'm telling y'all. Had I not hit that bad boy, we would be in business. The amount of gel that is stuck under there, because I kept pushing and repositioning, you really want to get it on the first try, like I did, and then my light was undone. Moral of the story, the last 3 nails took me 3 minutes and I did it on the first round. That is how you have to do it. I still have some cleaning up to do, which I will, but yeah, do it right the first time. All right, so looking at this apex, we're pretty good. I'll probably shorten them a smidge, but I am going to fix around the cuticles a little bit, so I'll be right back. Okay. So you know this little bit that I go under the nails with to clean? This is what you should use around your cuticle, because there's not anything on this side. It's flat on that side. I feel like you're not gonna be able to see it because it's probably too blown out. There we go. So you're able to hold it flat on kind of a low speed to get in there. It's pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty impressed with this and myself, because literally as soon as I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna stop record, or like I'm gonna fast forward, I just knocked these 3 out. I don't know if it's just the pressure of the camera. I also didn't get a good shot the first time, so these are a little bit long even though they are the short ones, so I'm gonna shorten them and then go into the design. So the design will be in the part 2. But I just wanted to feature this one alone because y'all will be here forever. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.